Spacious and inviting 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home located at 36474 Rue Lamonte Ct in Prairieville. This beautiful home features an open floor plan with a large family room centered around a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and a flowing layout that connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances and plenty of counter space, ideal for entertaining or family gatherings. Bedrooms are carpeted for comfort, while crown molding, 10 and 12-foot ceilings add a touch of elegance throughout. Enjoy the convenience of a double front-load garage and a well-designed layout perfect for modern living.